Is affiliate marketing dead in 2020? Here's the deal. Amazon's new commissions change everything. I'm going to tell you why right now. Hey, what's up, everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and I want to tell you some exciting news, some important news. Listen, a few weeks ago, Amazon quietly changed their commission structure. They sent out a short email that could have gone completely unnoticed in your inbox, but it contained some huge news. Many of the categories that were providing, like, say, 5 to 8% commissions have plummeted all the way down to 1 to 3% commissions. So many affiliate marketing experts and gurus are all saying that this could be the end of affiliate marketing. Now, is that true? The answer is no, absolutely not. Affiliate marketing is not dead in 2020. It's just as strong as it ever was, if not better, even on Amazon. And here are a few reasons why, okay? Reason number one, Amazon continues to grow as a company and gets better at increasing their average order value. This means that people are spending more and they're adding more things to their cart on Amazon than ever before. And as an affiliate, you make a commission on everything that someone purchases during that 24-hour window, not just the one item, right? So while the commission rates for specific items might have gone down a little bit on Amazon, you're still going to benefit from the growth of their company, right? Number two, there are still so many extremely popular online stores that will happily take you on as an affiliate selling the exact same products. You've got Home Depot, eBay, Target, Walmart, all of these companies, Best Buy, right? All these companies that are trying to beat Amazon online are actually valuing their affiliate base and helping them grow, right? Then you've got marketers. Number three. The marketers getting hurt the most are those that simply try to rank their websites to send people to Amazon, right? As a result, they're relying on a ton of organic first-time visitor traffic, which means there's millions and millions of visitors needed to really make any money. However, the smart marketers, right, the ones that are actually focusing on building their email list, get the benefit of repeat traffic and the ability to switch out links to different stores whenever there's a better affiliate offer, right? And then number four, while Amazon's commissions changes, they're pretty drastic, right? E-commerce affiliate marketing has always had a very low commission payout due to the fact that you're dealing with physical products, right? So, they cost money. The commissions are usually lower. That's why I recommend, no matter what industry you're in, to make sure you're an affiliate for digital products, online courses, and software. Because, listen, fulfillment is so much less expensive. You're able to get a much higher commission for what you're selling. All right. Look, if you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing or digital products and software, check out my free training below, because what it's going to do is give you an opportunity where you can get my entire Rolodex of offers that have earned me 7+ figures, as well as the exact step-by-step blueprint that I use to sell them. And you're going to get it completely free. Here's the thing about affiliate marketing in 2020, okay? And it's not dead, by the way, right? That was the kind of the topic of this, right? Is Amazon's changed their commission structure, and does that mean that affiliate marketing is dead? And the answer is no. Look, when you are an affiliate for digital products, things that are delivered digitally, right? You're always going to get a higher commission payout. Now, what we've seen right now with the craziness that's going on in the world, we all know that there's been this insane pandemic and there's lots of people that are kind of in flux and they don't know what's going on and what's going to happen and all of these things. Here are the people and here are some tips to make money as an affiliate, okay? Tip number one is build an email list, okay? And the reason that I talk about building an email list is because as new things happen, as new opportunities present themselves, it's so amazing to be able to hit the send button on your email software, send out an email and promote anything that you want. A lot of people, like I said earlier, get wrapped up in this organic traffic. They want to only have traffic from SEO and having it from Google and Yahoo and search engines and things, but it's so difficult to direct that traffic to the most profitable offer. So build an email list, okay? That's number one. Number two, look for where the money is going, right? Right now, there's more money than almost ever before being spent right here on the internet on education. And that's because, look, America's hurting. The whole world's hurting, right? There's not a country in this world that's not hurting right now. And what's hurting? What's hurting those countries? It's the fact that all the businesses are shut down. You've got restaurants closed down. You've got insurance agencies closed down. You've got car dealerships closed down. You've got banks. You've got everything is closed down that's never been closed down before. So what do you think all these people are doing? Think about this. As humans, we are taught to learn from our past, learn from our mistakes, draw wisdom from our past experiences. And every single person in the entire world right now is experiencing this. And they're all using their brains and they're thinking, I need to find a way to make my business go online. I need to find a way to make money on the internet so that if some crazy pandemic happens again and I have to close down my brick and mortar store, I still got an opportunity to make money. So where do you think all those people are going? They're coming online and they're buying education. They're learning how to either take their current business and move it online or how to start a new business and do it on the internet. And that's where you can cash in as an affiliate. Because as an affiliate, you can help those people find the opportunities that they need. You can help them find the education that they need to take their business online. You can help them find the software that they need to make that transition simple. You can help them find the education that they need to start a brand new business, right? All of these things exist and all of these opportunities exist right here, right now, even more so than ever, right? And then number 3, and this is the biggest thing that I think, is that affiliate marketing has withstood the test of time. When I started doing affiliate marketing, I don't know, it was probably close to 15 years ago, it was brand new. The idea of being an affiliate, the idea that you could make money by helping somebody else promote their product seemed almost unreasonable, seemed ridiculous. In fact, when I wrote my first book, The Hidden Millionaire, I started introducing affiliate marketing. People didn't understand it, so I wrote a second book called Advertising Profits from Home, where I literally broke down and educated people on this is what affiliate marketing even is, right? People just didn't understand it. But now we fast forward 15 years. Listen, it's withstood everything, right? All the different changes in the economy, all the different changes in the president or the shape of the world, the condition of the world, the stock market, all this stuff. You had the 2008 financial crisis. We made just as much money as affiliate marketers then as we did the year before or the year after. Now we've had this crazy pandemic, COVID-19, and guess what? We're making even more money than we've ever made before because there's so many more customers, so many more eyeballs, so many more people, so much more traffic. So when you're looking at starting a business, you want to find something that has a time proven, like it's been around for a long time. It's been through all the craziness that can happen in the world, and you can trust it, right? Because if you're a person right now that's looking to start your own business online and you're looking to start it because you lost your job or because you lost your other business due to this crazy pandemic stuff, right? If that's your reasoning, then you best make some valiant efforts here to start something that sets you up for success and not for additional failure in the future, right? You want, like we used to call affiliate marketing recession proof because we made it through this recession and honestly, we never skipped a beat. We made more money than we ever made before. And now I look at it and I see, wow, it's like it's withstood this pandemic, right? So it's withstood pandemics, it's withstood recessions, it's withstood all of these things that have happened in the world where we've seen so many businesses crumble. So many people lose their jobs, lose their investments, lose their money in the stock market, in real estate, in brick and mortar business. Yet affiliate marketing just keeps crushing it, right? So when I look at the reasons why you should do affiliate marketing, I realize very quickly that this thing over here is just simply not true. Affiliate marketing is not dead in 2020, and it's not going to be dead in 2025, right? Because as long as there are businesses online and those businesses need customers, there's always going to be room for affiliates. And all you've got to do is step in the middle and help the customers find the products that they're looking for, help the businesses find the customers they're looking for, and you make money in the middle. This is the simplest, fastest way for a beginner to make money on the internet. It just simply is. Now, if you're looking for good affiliate marketing products to promote, if you'd like some good courses, some good digital products, some good software to promote, there's a link right below this video to check out my Partner with Anthony program. And what this is going to do is legitimately just let you partner with me. So instead of you trying to find all these opportunities and trying to go and look for this and that and the other product and all that stuff, we're going to basically give you access to some of the best products that you can promote, and we're going to show you exactly how to do it. And then we're going to partner with you to help you actually do that promotion. So if being an affiliate is something that's kind of foreign to you and you've never done it before, but you want some help getting started, that's a click that you need to make. Again, it's right below this video. If you love my training, what I'd love for you to do right now is leave me some comments. Leave me some comments. Let me know, do you think affiliate marketing is dead in 2020? Because I'm looking around and the guys in the studio here tell me it's not dead, and I know it's not dead. In fact, I believe last week I made $64,000 or so in affiliate marketing commissions, and that's just a side thing that we do. So affiliate marketing is not dead. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about affiliate marketing. Are you going to start doing some affiliate marketing in 2020? So leave some comments, press the like button. And hey, listen, if you love these videos, click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, because each and every week I'm going to bring you some awesome training, some advice that I think can help you both in the affiliate marketing world, the digital marketing world, and then also just the entrepreneurial mindset world. And I want to help you grow your business. I want to help you be successful online. I can only do that if I can reach you. So click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time on another training video aimed at helping you have more success.